All right, let's take a look at another example that uses this inscribed angle stuff. So let's take a circle. We're going to add a line here. We're going to add a line here. We're going to add these lines. So here's one here. There's one there. There's that. The center of the circle, let's say, is right here. So you guys don't think that it's got anything to do with... Ooh, that's a horrible place for the center of the circle. Let's move that. Let's put the center of the circle right here. That's a little better. The big idea, though, is that this point is not the center. And then here's what you know. This is 2x plus 4. And this over here is going to be, let's say, say 3x. Minus 16. That's these two angles here and here. Okay. And then let's get talking about how to do it.
Wait, can you like give us time to try it?
I kind of want. Let's do this one as a group, and then we'll take a couple on our own. There's a trick to these that you'll pick up pretty quick. Let's say for argument's sake, just for argument's sake, this angle happened to be 40 degrees. It's not, but what if it was? What's the measure of this arc if the inscribed angle is 40? 80. Now again, it's not, but we're pretending just to get the idea across. So if this is 80, how big is this inscribed angle? Well, what? Yeah.
That it was 80 degrees.
The rule is that the arc is twice the inscribed angle. So if the inscribed angle were 40, this would be twice that.
That can't be 40. That's bigger than 90.
You're right.
Oh.
We're just saying, let's pretend that this inscribed angle is 40. Okay. If it was, and it's not bigger than 90, it's smaller than 90. We're talking this little angle right over here, where the 3x minus 16 is. So that's 80. So if that's 80, how big is this inscribed angle over here? This guy up here in red would also be 40 then, right?
But it's not, it's 44.
How's it 44?
Because can't you do 2x plus 4 equals 3x minus 16?
And that's the idea, is that if two inscribed angles share an arc, you can set them equal to each other. So 2x plus 4 is going to equal 3x minus 16.
How do they share an arc?
This angle opens up on that arc, as does, I'll use a slightly different color, this angle here. Now one thing I will recommend, I can kind of get, it's a little hard to see with this older projector.
Getting colors.
Colored pencils don't hurt in this chapter with all of these overlapping angles and stuff within the circle. It can kind of help bring things out while you're working.
Do we get out of here at 04?
We get out of here at 16, I think. Remember, there's no PLC today. So we can go ahead. Let's combine like terms. So subtract 2x from both sides. Add 16 to both sides. Simplify that down. I've got 10 over here. And I've got... Oh, wait. 20. And I've got x over here. So that means 2 times 20 plus 4 is 44 degrees. And just as a check, 3 times 20 minus 16 would also equal 44 degrees.